In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to upgrade to LED lights in a 2004 GMC or Chevy truck. This is such an easy job to upgrade to the LED lights. You got your bulbs right there. And basically all you do, I wish they was all made this way. It's so simple, but they've got those two rods and the light comes out. So it just locks in place. You first unlock it, and then you're going to pull the rods out, and that's basically it. So two of them, there's one on the right, one on the left of the headlight. Get those done and it is ready to come out. So then you pull it out, and you may have to shake it a little bit or maneuver it to get it just right, but it's very easy. Like I said, I wish they was all like this. So here's where your lights plug in, your bulbs. Now the inside's the bright and the outside is the dim. Now we're going to just work on the dim. We're going to replace the dim with a new LED light, and basically just take it all out of the socket right there. Unplug that, and then there's a plug on there that you can unplug. You just pull up on that tab and then lift out and it will come off. So that's pretty simple. Now these lights you don't want to touch. If we was to reuse this, I'd probably want to wipe with the alcohol, because the oils on your hand can burn those bulbs, so you don't want to do that. So here are the new LED lights from Boslla, and we're going to show you how easy these are to install. So it uses the same stock OEM plug and basically just plugs into the plug that you already have. So you plug that in right there, and then the socket side also has the same plug as the factory does. So you just screw it in like your old one would go in. Has the tabs on there that lock in place. So we're going to put it on there, twist it, and it is in. We're just going to make sure that it's secured well, and then we can put the headlight back in. Such a simple task on this. Should only take a couple of minutes. It takes a little longer video and things and explaining, but if you just wish to go out there and do this yourself, it wouldn't take but just a few minutes. So I've got that in and secured, and now I'm just going to set the headlight back in there, push it back into place, and then it's got those two rods you put in. Very simple. So push that in, and then you want to twist it to lock it back in place so it doesn't accidentally come out. Do both sides, and you have just upgraded to the new LED light. Then of course you want to do the same thing on the other side, which takes just a few minutes. So we're going to unlock the rods there, the pins, take it out, go to the outside, which is the dim. Take that out, unplug it, get your new LED light, plug it in, and then screw it back into the headlight assembly. Then set your headlight back in place, and then you'll install those two pins. Put those two pins back, and this will align the headlight, so it won't fit. The pins won't go through unless it's perfectly in there, which you just push it on and it will go in. Very simple headlights. Some headlights are very difficult to get off. Some of you have to pull front bumpers and everything else. This is very simple. Now you want to turn your headlights on, make sure that they are working, which you can see that they are. They look really good. And about to show you some before and afters when it's a little bit darker. About 8 o'clock each night I film this. This is before, and notice kind of the tree and around the tree. This is before and this is after. Not only is the tree so much brighter, but you can see all around the tree a lot more. Really made a big difference in these light bulbs. And from the other view, facing the truck where you can see the headlights, this is a before picture, and or before video, and you can see the brightness, and this is after, and you can see the difference that it has made. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.